I'm Stefan with iTutor Express, and today we'll be learning about factoring. So let's just hop right into a problem. So here we have x squared plus 4x minus 32. Now when the leading coefficient is 1, this question is actually quite simple. All we have to do is find two numbers when you multiply them equal negative 32, and when you add them equal positive 4. So let's set up our equation. Please excuse my terrible handwriting here. Apologize in advance. So two factors that when you multiply them are negative 32, when you add them are positive 4. So those two factors would be positive 8 and negative 4. So x plus 8 and x minus 4. And from here, you just solve for x. Negative 8 and 4. Now, when the leading coefficient isn't 1, it gets a little trickier. So let's do an example. So not only do we have to find factors of negative 2, but now we also have to find factors of 12. When you cross multiply the two, that result has to equal positive 5. So I'll show you what I mean. Let's first find two factors of 12. So our options here are 12 times 1, 6 times 2, or 4 times 3. When using this method, the best way is to choose the two numbers that are closest together. So in this example, it would be 4 and 3. Oh, I didn't mean for that. So 4 and 3. And then for the negative 2, it would obviously just be 1 and 2. So now I said when you cross multiply these, they have to equal positive 5. So 4 times 2 is 8. 3 times 1 is 3. Now to make these equal to 5, all you have to do is put a negative here. So 8 minus 3 is positive 5. So since I put a negative here, I also got to put a negative in front of this negative 1. So now your equation is set up where all you have to do is go right across. Right across. So for the top, it'd be 4x minus 1. And the minus 1 is from this negative over here. And you do the same thing with the bottom. 3x plus 2. So it's a positive. Now, this will take some trial and error sometimes because if you would have used 6 or 2 and 12 and 1, this equation would not have worked out this swiftly. So make sure to use the first two numbers that are closest together first, and if that doesn't work, then you use other factors. And just like we did last time, solve for x. 1/4 should be negative 2/3. And there you have it. That's factoring.